video, we take an in-depth look at the 2026 Honda NX250, a motorcycle expected to bring back the iconic NX name with modern engineering, adventure-inspired styling, and everyday practicality. This model is anticipated to bridge the gap between city-friendly commuters and full-size adventure bikes, offering a balanced and versatile riding experience. The return of the NX legacy. The Honda NX name carries a strong legacy in motorcycling history. Earlier, NX models were known for their dual-purpose character, combining road comfort with off-road capability. They were reliable, lightweight, and designed for riders who wanted freedom beyond paved roads. The 2026 Honda NX250 is expected to revive this spirit, reinterpreting it for modern riders who value efficiency, technology, and versatility. Rather than being an extreme off-road machine, the NX250 is likely to focus on real-world usability, making adventure riding more accessible. Overall design and adventure styling. The design of the 2026 Honda NX250 is expected to reflect modern, adventure motorcycle trends while maintaining a compact and approachable form. A tall, front profile, upright stance, and slim bodywork would give it a confident road presence. The front end may feature a sharp LED headlamp with a minimal beak-style fender, emphasizing its ADV character. Clean lines, aerodynamic panels, and a sculpted fuel tank are likely to create a rugged yet refined appearance suitable for both urban streets and open highways. Build quality and attention to detail. Honda is widely recognized for its build quality, and the NX250 is expected to follow that tradition. High-quality plastics, durable paint finishes, and precise panel fitting would give the bike a premium feel despite its smaller displacement. Practical elements such as engine guards, hand-friendly switchgear, and robust foot pegs may further enhance its adventure-ready identity. The focus would likely be on durability, ensuring the bike can handle daily use and occasional rough terrain without compromise. Engine configuration and performance goals. The heart of the 2026 Honda NX250 is expected to be a 250cc single-cylinder engine, possibly liquid-cooled and fuel-injected. This engine would prioritize smooth power delivery, reliability, and efficiency, rather than outright performance. The tuning is likely aimed at producing strong low and mid-range torque, which is ideal for city riding, highway cruising, and light off-road use. Honda's engineering expertise suggests minimal vibration and a refined riding experience across the rev range. Transmission and power delivery. A 6-speed manual transmission is expected to be standard, offering flexibility across different riding conditions. Lower gears would help in traffic and slow-speed maneuvering, while taller gears would support relaxed highway cruising. The clutch action is likely to be light and beginner-friendly, making the NX250 approachable for new riders. Smooth throttle response and predictable acceleration would contribute to rider confidence, especially during long journeys. Chassis design and structural balance. The 2026 Honda NX250 is expected to use a lightweight yet strong chassis, designed to balance stability and agility. A steel frame or hybrid structure could be used to keep costs reasonable while ensuring durability. The overall geometry would likely favor comfort and control rather than aggressive handling, making the bike suitable for long-distance riding and uneven road conditions. This balanced approach would allow riders to enjoy both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Suspension. Setup and ride comfort. Suspension plays a crucial role in any adventure-style motorcycle, and the NX250 is expected to deliver a capable setup. Long travel front forks, possibly upside-down units, combined with a rear monoshock would help absorb bumps and rough surfaces. The suspension tuning is likely to focus on comfort rather than extreme off-road performance, making it ideal for broken roads, speed bumps, and light trail riding. This setup would ensure a smooth and confident ride across varied terrain. Wheels, tires, and road presence. The wheel configuration of the 2026 Honda NX250 may include a larger front wheel to enhance stability and obstacle handling. Dual purpose. Tires are expected, offering a balance between on-road grip and off-road traction. This setup would allow riders to confidently explore gravel roads and unpaved paths without sacrificing road performance. The overall stance of the bike, supported by wide handlebars and a comfortable riding triangle, would inspire confidence at all speeds. Braking system and safety features. Safety is expected to be a priority on the 2026 Honda NX 250. Disc brakes, on both the front and rear wheels, would provide reliable stopping power. Dual-channel ABS is likely to be standard, ensuring better control during sudden braking or slippery conditions. Honda's braking systems are known for their progressive feel, allowing riders to modulate braking force easily and maintain stability, even during emergency situations. Digital instrumentation and technology. Modern technology is expected to be a key highlight of the NX 250. A fully digital instrument cluster would display essential information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, trip meters, and range. Depending on the variant and market, features like Bluetooth connectivity, smartphone pairing, and USB charging could be included. These additions would enhance convenience, especially for touring and navigation purposes. Ergonomics and rider comfort. The riding ergonomics of the 2026 Honda NX 250 are expected to be one of its strongest selling points. An upright seating, in position, wide handlebars, and well-placed foot pegs would reduce fatigue during long rides. The seat is likely to be well padded and designed for extended comfort, accommodating both solo riding and occasional pillion use. The overall ergonomics would make the bike suitable for riders of varying heights and experience levels. Fuel efficiency and riding range. Fuel efficiency is expected to be a major advantage of the NX 250. Honda's 250cc engines are known for delivering excellent mileage, and this model is likely to continue that trend. Combined with a reasonably sized fuel tank, the bike could offer an impressive riding range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. This makes it ideal for touring, commuting, and long-distance exploration. Practicality and everyday. Used beyond adventure styling, the 2026 Honda NX 250 is expected to be highly practical. Easy maintenance, long service intervals, and Honda's extensive service network would make ownership stress-free. The bike's manageable weight and predictable handling would be well suited for city traffic, while its comfortable suspension and upright posture would shine on longer journeys. Target audience and market position. The NX 250 is likely aimed at riders who want an adventure-style motorcycle without the complexity and cost of larger ADV machines. It would appeal to beginners stepping into the adventure segment, experienced riders looking for a lightweight tourer, and commuters who want a stylish yet practical bike. Positioned in the competitive 250cc segment, the NX 250 could stand out through its balanced design and Honda's trusted reliability, expected competition, and global appeal. If launched globally, the 2026 Honda NX 250 would face competition from other lightweight adventure and dual-sport motorcycles. However, Honda's brand reputation, refined engineering, and strong resale value could give it a competitive edge. Its global appeal would lie in its adaptability to different riding environments, from busy cities to open highways and rural roads. Final thoughts on the 2026 Honda NX 250. The 2026 Honda NX 250 has the potential to become a versatile and well-rounded motorcycle that embodies the spirit of adventure in a compact package. By combining classic NX heritage with modern design, efficient performance, and rider-focused features, it could redefine expectations in the lightweight adventure segment.